In the past Halloween holiday, I made over $1,000 from Amazon in just 1 hour a day. Well, that's exactly what I did, and I'm going to reveal to you how in this video series. Unlike most people who show you the way but don't show you exactly how they make the money, I'm not going to keep any secrets from you. I'm going to share with you the exact blueprint that I used to make money from Amazon. In my previous video, I showed you how to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program and get approved in less than 24 hours. If you haven't watched that video yet, I highly recommend you check it out first. I will leave a link to it in the description below. In this video, you will learn how to create a free store on kit.co and add your Amazon products to it. This way, you can earn commissions from your referrals when someone buys from your store. I will show you how to do all of these things using examples. You will see exactly what I did and what you need to do. It is very simple and easy to follow. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go to Google and type kit.co in the search bar. You will see the website on the top of the results. Just click on it and you will land on the home page of kit.co. It looks like this. Now, to sign up for a free account, you need to click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner of the page. You have 3 options to sign up. You can use your email address, your Twitter account, or your Facebook account. For this tutorial, I will use my email address. So, enter your email address, your name, your password, and then confirm your password again. Then, click on the Create Account button. You'll get a confirmation email with a link to verify your account. Click on the link and you'll be taken to your kit.co dashboard. This is how it looks like after you verify your email. The next step is to complete your profile and settings. To do that, you need to click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page and then click on the Edit Profile button. You will see a form where you can enter your profile details. First, upload your profile picture by clicking on the profile icon and selecting an image from your computer. Next, enter your name in the name field. This is how your name will appear on your profile and your kits. Next, enter your username in the username field. You can use your shop name or your personal brand name. After that, write a short bio in the bio field. For example, you can write "Discover the best Amazon products" or something similar. Finally, you can link your social media accounts in the social links section. You can add your YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook accounts by clicking on the icons and entering your usernames. This will help you to build your credibility and authority as a creator and influencer. When you are done, click on the Save Changes button at the bottom of the form. Awesome! You have edited your profile easily. You can check it out by clicking on the View Profile button on the top right corner of your dashboard. But wait, there's one more thing. We need to add a cover background image for our store. Let's go to Pexels and find a free image that we like. You can use any image from Pexels for free. I will pick this one. Now, let's change it. Click on Add Cover Image and select the picture that you downloaded from Pexels. And voila! This is how our store looks like. Alright, now it's time to add some awesome Amazon products to our store by creating our first kit. To do that, go to your profile and click on Create Kit. You will see a pop-up window where you can enter the name and the description of your kit. This is what your customers will see first, so make it catchy and appealing. For this video, I want to sell some amazing Christmas gifts for women, so I will name my kit Best Christmas Gifts for Women 2024. Then, I will write a short description that tells my customers why they should buy these gifts. Something like this. It's time to celebrate the women in your life with amazing Christmas gifts. Whether you seek the perfect present for your mom, sister, wife, girlfriend, or friend, you'll find something for everyone here. Next, I will add some hashtags to help my kit get discovered by more people. You can use up to 5 hashtags that are relevant to your kit. For example, I can use #Christmas, #ChristmasGifts, and #HolidayShopping. So, when you're done, click Next. Now, it's time to add Amazon products. Let's go to our Amazon account and look for Christmas gifts. Okay, let's search for Christmas gifts for women. We have to find a good product that has sold a lot last month. That means people love it and we can sell it too. I like this one because it sold over 10,000 times last month. That means we have a chance to sell it too. Alright, click on it to see more details. Now, we need to get our affiliate link from Amazon. To do that, we need to use the site stripe. This is the toolbar that shows up on top of any Amazon page when we log in as an affiliate. This site stripe lets us get our affiliate link for any product on Amazon. If you don't have an Amazon affiliate account or a site stripe, you need to watch my video on how to get them. The link is in the description. So, to get your affiliate link, head over Site Stripe and then click on Get Link. A pop-up window will show up with different link options. You can pick the short link or the full link. For kit.co, you need the full link. So, click on it and you'll get the full URL of your affiliate link. It looks like this. Copy the link. Now go back to your kit.co account and paste the link that you copied from Amazon in this box. Then, hit the arrow button and kit.co will add the product to your kit. You can change the name, description, and image of the product. You can also write your own review or recommendation for the product. This will help you to provide value and trust to your audience and increase your conversions. So, when you're done editing, click Add to Kit and you will see the product appear at the bottom of your kit. You can repeat the same process to add more products or services to your kit. I recommend adding at least 5 up to 10 products. And don't forget to edit the title of the product to make it short and clear. Alright, as you can see, I have added 5 Amazon products to my kit. When I finish adding products or services to my kit, I can click on Done. This will automatically show me my product store. And as I showed you before, you can also add a background image for your kit by going to Pexels and finding a free image that you like. Then, you can click on Add Cover Image and select the image that you downloaded from Pexels. And voila! This is how our kit looks like. And guess what? People can discover your kit without you promoting it. But you can also share your kit by clicking on the Share button and copying the link or using the social media icons. That's it! You have successfully created your own free store on kit.co and you are ready to share it with your audience and earn commissions from your referrals. And guys, in the next video, I will show you where you can promote your Amazon products and sell a lot of them without any paid advertising. So, please give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of kits you have created or want to create. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of my future videos. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!